Welcome to the English podcast with Lina. Hello, dear friend. This is Lina. Welcome back to your soft English space. Today's story is funny, a little messy, and very real. A restaurant, a disaster, and me. Let's listen, laugh a little, and learn. Are you ready? The story Restaurant Disaster has been Saturday. I went to a new restaurant. I wore a nice shirt. I was hungry and happy. I sat near the window. The waiter smiled and gave me a menu. I looked at it and smiled back. So many delicious things. I chose pasta with tomato sauce. Easy, right? But then, disaster started. Part 1. The spilled water. The waiter brought a glass of water. But oops. He dropped it. Right on my pants. Cold, wet, surprise. He said, "I'm so sorry." I said, "It's okay. I needed to wake up." We both laughed. Disaster, but friendly. Part 2. The wrong order. 5 minutes later, my food arrived. It smelled amazing. But it wasn't pasta. It was soup. And I didn't order soup. I raised my hand. The waiter came. He looked confused. Then he said, "This is for another table." He took it back and gave me bread. Just bread. I was still hungry. Part 3. The final surprise. Finally, the right dish came. Hot pasta. Tomato sauce. Victory. I took my first bite. And, oh no, it was spicy. Very spicy. I cried. Just a little. The waiter gave me free lemonade and a cookie. I smiled. Maybe it wasn't a disaster. Maybe it was just adventure with sauce. Shadowing practice repeat. After Lina, I went to a new restaurant. The waiter spilled water on me. They gave me the wrong food. I waited a long time. The pasta was too spicy. But I smiled and ate a cookie. Vocabulary in context disaster. A big funny problem. The restaurant was a disaster. Waiter. A person who brings food. The waiter brought water. Menu. A list of food. He gave me a menu. Spill. To drop liquid. He spilled the water. Confused. Not sure what's happening. He looked confused. Victory. A happy win. I finally got my food. Victory. Spicy. Food that burns your mouth. The pasta was very spicy. Lemonade. A sweet drink. He gave me free lemonade. Adventure. A fun, unexpected story. It was an adventure with sauce. Practice questions. What day did Lina go to the restaurant? What did the waiter spill? Did Lina get the food she ordered? Why did she cry? What free things did she get? Call to action today. You listened to a messy little story. You learned new words and practiced speaking. Now it's your turn. Repeat 3 sentences out loud. Tell your own food story in English. And next time you eat out, check the spice level first. Click subscribe. Come back tomorrow for more English and maybe less chili.